All right, guys, this is the WeCast version of iCast, which is super cool. And we're going over some of the brand new baits from Crush City, and they've absolutely killed it with a bunch of new baits, you know, proven baits, but just different sizes. So straight up, the main one, the Freeloader, 6 1/4 and 5 1/4. So just bigger baits, bigger profile, more drawing power. And again, you can use these so many different ways. Scrounger head, I love them as a chatterbait trailer, but obviously the jig head minnow, just twitching them over those fish. This is gonna be a big one for the Texas guys. You're gonna love this bigger bait, the 6 1/4. Then the Mooch minnow, 2 different sizes, 4 1/2 and 2 1/2. Don't sleep on this little one for bass in the clean water on a little tiny, that tungsten ball head jig head. It's killer on those ones that have been pressured. And then if you want, everyone's been wanting that bigger one, so a bit bigger profile on the Mooch minnow, 4 1/2. This is probably gonna be the #1 bait for a long time. And then something that I was ahead of the game of a little bit because of just my Australian connection. I've had this bait for 2 years. It's been like my secret weapon. It's called the Jerk, and it's available in the US now. And it's just a more subtle version. It's just the perfect forward-facing jig head minnow bait, and it's made of that TPE, so it's got that stretchy material. You glue it on a jig head or fish it on the brand new jig head from VMC, and it'll stay on there, and you can catch so many bass. I caught my biggest ever smallmouth on it last year in Idaho, and I caught all the spotted bass on it at Smith Lake. So there's just a few of the new baits from Crush City. They've won 5 awards at iCast, and these are just all going to be fish catchers and worth putting in your tackle box.